XDesign AI just dropped, and in this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. If you're curious whether this tool lives up to the hype, stick around till the end because I'll be sharing exactly what sets it apart and why it might just be the game changer you're looking for. Before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can try XDesign AI for free. Just hit the first link below to grab access. Now let's get into it. First up, one of the biggest highlights of XDesign AI is its incredible versatility. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, this tool is designed to streamline your workflow across multiple industries. It's not just a one-trick pony, it offers a broad range of functionalities that make it applicable for various needs. What makes it stand out is the user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to AI software, XDesign AI doesn't overwhelm you. The learning curve is smooth. And within just a few minutes, you'll be up and running. This is a huge bonus for anyone who's not technically inclined, but wants to take advantage of cutting-edge AI technology without the steep learning curve. One of the most impressive features is its AI-driven design capabilities. If you're in e-commerce, for example, it can generate design concepts in minutes that are tailored to your branding and market trends. This can save you an incredible amount of time and money, especially if you're trying to create content or product visuals at scale. XDesign AI does all the heavy lifting by analyzing your existing brand materials and creating designs that fit seamlessly into your strategy. Another powerful aspect is its automation features. If you're already using AI for marketing or customer outreach, this software takes automation to the next level. Imagine running an entire ad campaign, from generating creatives to targeting the right audience, all automated within the platform. It's a massive time saver for marketers and business owners looking to scale without losing quality. For those of you dealing with a lot of data, XDesign AI also offers robust data analysis tools. It can process large amounts of data in real time, allowing you to extract valuable insights about your business, audience behavior, or market trends. This makes it much easier to make data-driven decisions without relying on complex tools or manual analysis. One thing I really appreciate is the scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, XDesign AI can grow with you. It's adaptable enough to suit a wide range of business sizes and budgets, making it an excellent long-term investment if you want something that'll evolve with your needs. Of course, no software is perfect, and XDesign AI is still refining some aspects. For instance, the advanced design features may take some time to fully master, especially if you're used to more traditional design tools. But the upside is that the software is constantly being updated, so expect improvements with each release. To wrap it up, XDesign AI is a tool that checks off all the boxes for those looking to leverage AI in their business strategy, whether it's automating tasks, improving design workflows, or analyzing data. It's a solid contender in the market and a great choice if you're looking for a comprehensive AI solution. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to try XDesign AI for free and see if it's the right fit for you. And as always, I've compiled a list of my top AI software picks, all of which you can try for free after testing thousands of tools myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.